Okay, thank you so much for joining. Can you please provide a bit of your introduction?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, please can you repeat?
Yeah, can you please provide your introduction?
Okay, sure. I am XYZ. I am recognized for my communication skill and leadership skill. I have worked with ABC company from 2.7 years, and there my main responsibility to handle the various service requests that customers submit to the business. I have completed my BTech in XYZ University in 2021. I have been awarded as a caption allotted for my exceptional performance. I am highly motivated person, uh, and I am passionate about my career, and I strive to continuously develop my skills. Thank you.
Okay, great. As you mentioned, your project. So, what is your role in that project?
Um, I am in admin as well as developer also, both. So I am working on admin also and developer also.
Yeah, that's okay. But what actually in admin and development you're doing? Can you share a few of your projects which you are doing right now?
Yeah, I'm working on the ITSM module, and in ITSM module, various product area I'm working, such as master data, ITSM, then event managements, handovers to the operations. In master data, I have received the service requested, like the user creations, password reset, then add the group creations, city creation, city modifications, then location creation, location modification. As per the customer requirement, we configure, modify the request as per the requirement. Next is the ITSM. In
Okay.
ITSM, I have received the requested for the category creations, task data lookup creations, assignment group, SLA, then standard change category creations. Means I have received the request for the configuration modifications like that. And in day-to-day activity, I have received the incidents also. So means the issue is related for the change or standard change catalog or problem related issues or incident related issues. So I have received the incidents also. So
Okay.
I basically configure, modeling, analyzing, or update modify the SLA as per the customer requirement. We have performed the request.
Okay. Okay. So, what is this master data? Is it completely related to uh, service catalog?
Yeah, for the service request now, it's related to the service catalog. Means in standard change request now, category is visible. So in that categories, catalogs, items, and categories. So we have create a folders means categories and catalog item means template. In service request now, we have created template means categories. So
Okay.
if
Okay. So,
category is created, so as per the category, the change request is raised.
okay. So this is basically admin part mostly.
Yes.
What kind of development you are doing in that project?
We have created the UI policy as per the requirement. Like for the incident from mean short description is mandatory. So we have configured the UI policy and UI actions. Means a little bit like mean short description is mandatory or color field is mandatory or some field is only read only or visible. So as per the requirement, we have configured the UI policy and business rule.
Are you writing any kind of script?
No.
Okay. Okay. So, tell me the size of your team.
Sorry, can you please repeat it?
What is the size of your team?
Of the size of a team, it's 10, 10 or 11.
10 or 11. So, how you are getting your work? What is the process, complete process of, getting the work and delivering it? How you are doing? How you are managing all this?
Means in daily activities, we have received the task. Means more than 10 tasks or 12 tasks or incident also. So in that test, some task is a category creations, category modification, activation, deactivation. Some task is related to the routing, configure the routing, or routing is not working properly, or change the group, change the
I
incident.
understand. I understand that you are getting the work, but how you are getting? Like, what is the procedure of getting the, these requirements? Is it
Okay,
via email, or is there anything which you are using, some tool or something? So I just wanted to know the life cycle of which you are following.
okay, I'm using in ServiceNow tool and ITSM or ITL life cycle we have follow. Means end user receive end user means facing any issues or needs any requirements, so they raise the request for the service catalog, and after
Okay.
the generic service request create the end user, and after that create a means select the categories. So as per the categories, means this request or task is goes to the particular group, and after that group member check the tasks and assign the assigned user, and after that first investigate the issues. So what is the issue or what is the requirement, and if need the more information for the user, so schedule a call with the user and understand the requirement as per the request, and solve the issues, or solve the requirement as soon as possible.
Okay. 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 Fair enough. So do you know what is the latest release of ServiceNow?
Yeah, the latest version is Vancouver.
Vancouver? Are you
Yes,
sure?
yes, sure.
Okay. So can you tell me five features? What new features are there in Vancouver? At least five.
In Vancouver, na, means in a setting is different. Means in previous version, na, in setting it's visible, but now in that profile, set preference option is available. Then in Vancouver, in latest version Vancouver, means gear icon. In previous version, gear icon is a little bit means in down, but now in now version, new version, the gear icon is shift to the upper, and some modification filter is also changed. Then some setting is changed, like in a domain section now, or domain also change. Means in previous version, if we have select the domain, so go to the domain picker and check the domain. But in now in new version now, in domain also means domain change, means domain is also change, symbol is change for the domain.
Okay. So you call these features? They're not features. Okay. So just read
Okay,
it about, read what is the latest version and what all features are there in that latest version. Okay.
okay,
Uh,
sure.
I checked that in your resume you mentioned designing and modeling work demo, modeling work as well, right? So what kind of designing you are doing?
We have designing a service request, mean
Okay.
service
Just
request
request.
form. So
Okay.
create a catalog item, and in that catalog item, create a variable, and as per the requirement, we have create a service means catalog service request form. So means the for example in catalog item, so as per the selected category, so requested form, then requested email ID, requested related informations, or create a service request form. So modeling and design and workflow also.
Okay. Are you working on latest things like Flow Designer or ATF?
No,
Okay. Okay. So you said you worked on incident management, right?
yes,
So can you tell me the relationship between incident and CI? How incident is dependent on CMDB? Can you tell me this thing?
okay. If CA means if CI is related to the server, if CI is a configure, na, so as per the CI, this incident is also working. as means based on that system means CI is configured for the tangible and intangible device or applications.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. Let's move aside. Uh, do you know what is event management?
Yes.
Please tell me.
Uh, Event management is a triggering point of the any event or actions. Uh, means means monitoring tool send the alert to the incoming service event.
Okay. Can you
Yeah.
give me some real-time examples for that, which you have observed in your organization or you have worked on?
Okay. For customer deletions for the event. So if we have check for that customer event is generated or not. If event is event is not generated, so not required. So, means monitoring tool not send to event. Monitoring tool not send the alert to the incoming service events, and event is generated now. So at that time, contact with a particular team or particular members. Uh, After that, and one more is a uh, event sender. Means in event sender, if event is generated and this event is generated for but what sender. So check the event sender like ATF2, Nagios or various. So we have check and provide the correct contact details.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Can you tell me how to trigger event using business tool?
Yeah, if is incident is created and is based on the event, so at that time event is also created and incident is resolved. So automatically event is also resolved.
Okay. Do you know what are business rules?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me one example of query business rule, or what is query business rule for the time being?
Okay. Query business rule are executed. Then the event made to the database for a particular table.
Okay. And what are after business rules?
After business rule means some field change and needs to reflect it immediately after user save the records. So at that time after business rule we have used
Okay. Can you tell me what is request fulfillment?
request fulfiller.
Fulfillment,
Okay.
yeah. What is, you can say, what is fulfiller group? Can you tell me these things?
Okay. If we have raised the request, so
Mm-hmm.
the RITM is generated and then request is goes to the approval and request is approved. After that catalog task is created and at that time state is a fulfiller, a request fulfiller.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically, what is the meaning of that fulfiller? So why we use this word fulfillment or fulfiller?
If
Any idea?
request, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Fulfiller means request is work in progress.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So do you know what is integration?
Yes, I know the integration.
Okay, tell me what is integration and one example.
Okay. ServiceNow can share the data with the third party application tool with ServiceNow integration. The example of LTAB notification monitoring event.
Okay. So why we are doing these integrations? So what is the benefit of integration?
If some information received from the customer side, So at that time integration is used, means inbound integration and outbound integrations. So information to from the customer instance or third party application tool. So at that time inbound integration is going on, and means uh, request come from the third party tool from the service now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Do you know what is knowledge management?
Yes, I know the
So,
knowledge management.
okay. So, what is the purpose of knowledge management?
To share the information from the user.
Okay. Any example?
Uh, for example, knowledge article, if create a knowledge article for the particular information. For example, email related issue. So we have created a knowledge article for the email related issue. So in that knowledge article, all information is available. So
Mm-hmm.
this information is useful for the end user. If a end user facing any issue, so at that time they read the knowledge article and they useful for the end user.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Yes.
So, have you created any knowledge article till now?
Yes, I have created the knowledge article.
Okay. So, what was that? What was it related to?
The knowledge article is related for the Aviva customer, and
Okay.
in that knowledge article means issue is related for the workflow related.
Okay. So, what you were sharing in that knowledge article? Some workflow steps or some issue?
No, issue is related for the workflow or user account creations or some example notification related issue. So we have create a knowledge article as per the customer requirement.
Okay. So, you just mentioned few steps there so that they can
Yeah,
follow.
knowledge based
User
is already created now. So
Okay.
directly goes to the knowledge based and create the knowledge based as per the requirement.
Okay. Okay. Good.
So in body sections, I have pasted the informations which they provided the end user, and we have created a knowledge base as per the requirement.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know what is CMDB?
Yes, I am no CMDB.
So, what we capture in CMDB? Do you have any idea?
In CMDB, na server related, mean configuration related or computer or server related information is stored. Means the repository store the information from the configuration item in any organizations.
So, why we are keeping these configuration items there? What is the reason of storing all such details?
All storage information means all CI related information and server related information is stored in CMDB.
Yeah, that I know. But why we are doing this? What we will do with this information in future? Any idea?
Oh, sorry, no idea about this.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so what is the CI relationship?
A CI relationship, no?
Yeah,
Uh, Means it is related to the mapping, CI related mapping.
okay, okay. You worked on SLAs also?
Yes,
Tell me what is SLA?
SLA is a service level agreement contract between the service provider and internal or external client or customer. The duration of activity, the duration of completion of activities as per the different scenario.
Okay, so what will happen if I do not comply to SLAs?
Means some task is created, so SLA is configured at that time and condition is matched. So
Mhm.
SLA is attached for that task.
Okay,
Yeah, response SLA and resolution SLA. Response SLA means the incident, for example, incident is created. So at that time, response SLA is attached. And if is responded to means this incident is assigned to the user, so responded to at that time the response SLA is closed or completed. And resolution SLA, the SLA start when the incident is created, and SLA is stop. SLA is paused on hold. SLA is paused at that time the incident state is on hold or resolved, and SLA is closed if incident is means SLA is stop if incident state is closed.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we have configured the SLA as per the requirement, as per the different customer requirement. So if condition is matched, so as per the condition, the SLA is attached for the incident.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Yes.
I'm done with the interview. Just at the end, let me provide you some feedback. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Please focus on some basics. Okay.
Okay.
And understand and try to do some coding as well.
Okay,
Because
sure.
if you want to, grow, coding at least basic level is needed. So
Okay.
you have your personal development instance.
Yes.
Okay. So you try that personal development instance and all options, explore all these things. Okay.
Okay.
And right now you are on ITSM only, right?
Yes.
Try to touch other things as well, like ITOM,
Okay.
ITBM, CSM. Okay.
Yes.
For switching and all, you need more than one applications apart from ITSM as well. So
Okay.
focus on such areas, focus on, doing some practice and functional understanding. Like I asked you about SLAs, right? Why we need SLAs? You have provided good examples, like how to create SLA, how to configure SLA, what are the types of SLAs. But at
Okay.
the end, why we are needing these SLAs? Okay, so try to explore things functionally. Each
Okay. Sure.
and everything, whatever is there in ServiceNow has some functional meaning because it is used by any organization to manage their work, right? So
Okay.
ultimately, whatever we are doing as developer has some context for functions. So just understand that functional or business context and then correlate. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Then I hope you have any question.
No question.
Okay. All the best. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.